How to log in or sign in to Accenture.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in or sign in to Accenture.com. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Accenture Careers and tap on the very first link you see there. You will then see the option for Access Application in the interface that you will be led to. Go ahead and tap on that. You will further be required to enter your email address and your password associated to the Accenture to log in further. So, enter your login credentials and tap on the Sign In button. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password and log in further. So, this is how you can log in or sign in to Accenture.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.